Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your liked videos on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can choose to show or hide your liked videos on your profile. Your liked videos are hidden from your profile by default when you create an account. But if your liked videos is appear on your profile and you want to hide it and you don't know how to do it, it's so simple. You can follow this step by step. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Can tap on your profile. So here's my videos, my liked videos on TikTok. I will show you first from the other account to see if people can see my liked videos. So here's my account, and here's when someone visit my profile, they can see my videos, my liked videos. So, and I want to hide this from my profile. We'll change the account first. Let's go to my other account. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy. You can scroll down on the interaction section. There is an option liked videos. You can tap on that. Who can watch your liked videos? It's set by everyone, so everyone who visit your profile, they can see your liked videos. You can change to only you, so no one can see your liked videos when they visit your profile. Go back, you can see. I will show you from the other account again if people still can see or not. Now you can see these users like videos are private videos liked by this account are currently hidden. So when someone visit my profile and try to see my liked videos, it hidden by TikTok. So that is how to hide your liked videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.